Hey guys, it's me, Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a fun, chatty, get ready with me. So recently, I ordered some things off Glossier, so this is kind of what inspired me to make this video, and I wore the pink to match, if you couldn't tell. To make this a little bit more fun, I sort of was inspired by the TikTok trend that's going on, where you do your makeup and get ready while telling facts about yourself. So I thought I would do a little bit of a get to know me type video. So I'm just going to be testing out my new Glossier products while I tell you about my life and about myself and all that. So I guess we should just get started. This is kind of the look I'm going for. I thought I would throw up some inspo. I actually love wearing makeup and putting makeup on, but I never really do it, and I especially don't do that much creative stuff with it. Mostly because I'm so tired in the morning that I could not be bothered to wake up any earlier to put on makeup. But on the weekends, I love to doll myself up and look kind of cute. So right now I'm debating if I want to do concealer because my skin always looks so good on camera because of this lighting. But in real life, it's not quite the same. But I think I'm just going to cover up a few blemishes, and that's about it. Well, I thought I would get started by telling you guys my big three. If you don't know what that means, it's an astrology thing. And I'm not even that into astrology, but I do think it's interesting and I wish I knew more about it. So basically all I know is from the little Bitmoji profile they give you on Snapchat. But my sun is an Aquarius, which I guess means unique and friendly and independent. That's sort of like my personality, or like who I am as a person. My moon is in Virgo, which means considerate, precise, and helpful. So I guess your moon is like your emotions and stuff. And then my rising sign is Pisces, which I think that's like how you present yourself to the world, like kind of your personality and stuff, which is, it said imaginative, creative, and giving. So I feel like that actually fits me pretty well. Like, I know a lot of people don't believe in that whole astrology thing, but I mean, they're not that wrong. I'd love to know more about it and all that. So if you want to analyze me, feel free to in the comments. I'm not opposed. I'm just going to set my concealer now. Now that that's done, I'm not going to do any crazy base stuff. I'm going for a very natural look, as you can tell by the picture. I think I should put these bangs back because they're just gonna get annoying in my way, even though they look so cute. Hopefully I won't dent them because that is my pet peeve. I want some of those like makeup clips that people wear, but I just never bought any. So now we are all set. So what should I go on to next? I think I will start with some of my Glossier products. So actually the first thing that I got from them is the Glossier You perfume, which is really exciting. It's actually not in the box because I took it out. So let me go get that for you guys. So I got the solid perfume, mainly because it was cheaper and also it just seemed intriguing. And it's like this heavy metal packaging. It's really nice, like amazing quality. You swivel it open and then there's the perfume, and it's like not too fruity, not too sweet. It's like very like, oh, you just smell good. Like, I don't know how to explain the scent. If you look on the website, I'm sure there's like a description of it, but I just like to put a little on, and it's so cute because you can like take it on the go, throw it in your pocket. So this is so cute. I wanted to throw that in there. The next thing that I got is some cloud paint. So I remember back in 8th grade, for me, that's when Glossier was like new to the scene and it was so popular. And I was like, I need this. Like, this is perfect. So I have my old Glossier cloud paint in the like super pink one, but not really my style I'm going for. I'm trying to go for something a little moodier. So I got this red blush. It's the color Storm. It's so pretty, so cute, but you have to be careful with this because it's so pigmented. But I'm gonna throw that on. Nice, generous amount. Back to the facts about me. I am 17 years old and I'm a senior in high school. So I will be graduating in May, and in a few months, let's see, in 3 months, I'll be turning 18, which is crazy. Crazy, I know. So I am planning on going to college after I finish high school. I have not committed anywhere yet. It's still only October, and you don't have to decide until May. But I did apply to lots of places, and I was accepted to all of the ones I applied to so far. So that is really exciting. I'm actually going on a college visit this weekend to Central Michigan University. So I don't know if any of you guys watching this are from there, but if you are, let me know how it is. I'm very excited to go. It'll be my first college visit. But I'm excited, but also nervous, as probably most are. Oh my gosh, that was so much blush. It's okay. You can blend it out. I love using my fingers. It's so fun. That is so much blush. I want to go to college and do some sort of fashion business. A lot of schools have fashion merchandising or fashion business major, which is what I applied to in all the schools that I applied to, because it just sounds so fun. I really want to work in the fashion industry when I'm older. Obviously, you can tell by my channel that's kind of what I'm into, but I feel like it would be a great job. I can't really see myself doing that many jobs, like a doctor, no. A teacher, not really. It was really hard for me to figure out what I wanted to do until I realized that the stuff that I'm doing right now, I can sort of turn that into a career, obviously not exactly the same, but I didn't really realize that was an option. I thought I had to be a vet or a police officer, and none of that sounded interesting to me. I was like, for sure, I just didn't want to be anything. I still don't. I would love to just be rich and famous and not have to work at all, but that's not how life works. So this is a kind of a good amount of blush, I think. I feel like the picture is really heavy though, so I might add a little bit more, down here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look like a big cherry. I should probably stop, but I go overboard. I cannot help myself. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows with some Glossier Boy Brow. Can we see that? Beauty guru moment. Oh, I don't know how to be a beauty guru. It's so hard. Fun fact, when I was in middle school, 8th grade, I wanted to be a beauty guru YouTuber. And I made my mom buy me the James Charles palette and all those Morphe stuff and the brushes, and I was like, this is me, and I would practice doing the crazy eyeshadow looks. That was a year-long phase, but it was fun, and now I know how to do makeup decently well. So I am thankful for her for watching all those makeup tutorials. So now when I have to do something, it's not that hard. This stuff is really nice. I love that fluffy eyebrow look. And this tints them and holds them up, which is perfect. It'll just fill in those little gaps in your eyebrows. And in the picture, their eyebrows are very dramatic, so I'm gonna make them stick straight up. And I have a decent amount of eyebrows myself. I'm not lacking there, which I'm thankful for now. I wasn't at first, but now I realized it's a blessing. So next I'm going to use my Glossier eyeshadow palette, and this is the color Almond. So I've already used so much Glossier, I might as well keep going. This is a neutral brown color, which it looks like the picture to me. Other than YouTube and fashion, you might also know that I'm a dancer, a ballerina to be more specific. I actually did dance classes my whole life, when I was a little kid, just for fun, those jazz classes, and when I was little, did the little tap classes and stuff. But it wasn't until middle school that I wanted to be a ballerina. That is the funniest word to say. I don't know why I keep saying it. But I wanted to do ballet in middle school, and I really didn't know how at all. I had no ballet training or any of that besides the little toddler classes that your parents would sign you up for. That was all that I had. in my belt, but I said, I'm gonna make this work and I'm gonna do it. And then I did. So I found a ballet studio near my house. It's around 15 minutes away. I still dance there because it's great. It's amazing. It's perfect for ballet. It's like all they do is ballet and then a couple other stuff, like that's their specialty, which is like kind of hard to find in like a small town, you know? Like there's a lot of like competition-y style dances, which seems fun. I kind of wish I tried that too, but I'm glad I stuck with ballet. So I joined that in 7th grade, which is really late. Like, I didn't know what I was doing. There was like girls the same age as me that were like, they could be professionals, but I was over there like flopping around in the corner, which it was a little rough on my self-esteem. I will admit that, but you know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and I'm definitely stronger now because of it. And now I'm very excited to say this Nutcracker season I'll be doing Clara, which is crazy. If you've watched my Nutcracker vlogs, this is not a shock to you that I did ballet, but I feel like some of you might not have known this. So I thought I would throw that in there because it's like a big part of my life. Now I'm going to take this shimmery one, not the super one, but like the shiny one, and I'm going to put it on my lids, like just with my finger brush it on. But it's something I'm really proud of myself for doing. I don't really say it much, but I am. So I don't know why I'm getting so like open on here. I never talk about myself in the real world, but online I'll talk about myself all day long. I love to go thrifting, and I actually was thrifting like my whole life. Like it became like pretty popular, but I had already been doing it because, you know, life hack, be smarter. And I would just like look for the Hollister and like American Eagle clothes. Like I wasn't really trying to like wear the grandma clothes. Like I thought that was gross, but I was like, I found some Paxson jeans for $5. Like that was more into it. And then it started getting more popular. And I was like, okay, cool. This is cool. I started like looking in the other sections at other stuff and realizing there's some pretty cool stuff here. And I feel like that's when I started to like evolve my own style, because in middle school, I just wanted to look like everyone else. Like I thought that was the only way to look cool. I just curled my eyelashes. It looked really creepy on camera, so I had to pause. I just looked bad. Basically, my camera just shut off and deleted the last 5 minutes where I was putting on mascara. It's the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. It's so good. I recommend it. Like, look at that. Spider eyelashes. Literally. Eyelashes are just a great accessory. So I was saying, like, after I started thrifting and wearing these clothes, I started feeling more confident, and I felt less like I had to wear some of those ugly clothes. It's really YouTube that made me like this. Like, I don't think I would have been this style person if it wasn't for YouTube. I made my YouTube channel in 5th grade. If you didn't know, you probably didn't. That's when I got YouTube. I wanted to be a YouTuber so bad, and I decided sometimes to make like videos of my outfits. I did so many videos like crafts and slime and American Girl dolls and all that, but sometimes I would show videos of my outfits and my hauls, and I really like to do that. So I would make videos just for fun, you know, throughout like middle school and stuff. But it was like 14 years old or 15, around then is when I was like, I really want to be a YouTuber. Like I started making outfit videos, hauls, all those like styling outfits. I did all of that. And that's when I realized like what I really liked. So I've been doing this ever since, a little on and off in the middle. I took some breaks, came back, all that. But that is how we got here today. So I'm going to finish this look off with the last thing I bought from Glossier, which is the Ultra Lip lipstick. It's kind of like a lip balm, and this is the color that I got. I thought it was going to be kind of brown when I got it, but it turned out to be a little more purple. I don't know if I just didn't get the one I was thinking of, but this is really cute, so I'll show you. It's like a berry color, which is really fun. And now I'm just going to smudge it around with my fingers so it's a little softer. I just like that better than like the crisp lines. Like I like it a little faded, a little smudged. So here is the finished look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was kind of different than what I normally do. This looks really good with my hair down. Looks so much better. It's giving very fall with the orange and the red. I love it. If I were to do like an everyday makeup routine, it would probably look something like this. Unfortunately, I never seem to actually do that. I know this is a little bit different than what I normally do here on my channel. I stick to more clothing stuff, but I wanted to do a little bit of a different video, kind of spice things up. Let me know if you guys like that, or just be honest if I should just stick to my other content. That's fine as well. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe down below to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!